What is a master node? Master nodes are part of the infrastructure that sustains cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dash. Unlike regular nodes, master nodes do not add new blocks of transactions to the blockchain. Instead, they verify new blocks and perform special roles in governing the blockchain. Master nodes verify new blocks of transactions in a cryptocurrency, but unlike other nodes, do not submit new blocks to the network for verification. Master nodes operate on a collateral-based system, meaning the operators need to own a significant amount of the cryptocurrency. In exchange for their investment in time and money, master node operators are rewarded with guaranteed crypto earnings, usually a percentage of their stake. Understanding master nodes. There are several types of nodes that together form the infrastructure of a decentralized blockchain, collectively providing transparency and security and running the software that implements a cryptocurrency's rules and functionality. Nodes maintain the massive ledger of public transactions in a given cryptocurrency and verify new transactions. Master nodes also play a special role in the management and governance of the blockchain's protocol. Operating a master node requires a significant financial investment and running costs, including a significant stake in the cryptocurrency itself and computer hardware that is far more expensive than your average laptop. It also requires expertise. As an incentive for people to maintain master nodes, operators are rewarded with cryptocurrency earnings, usually a share of block rewards. Dash, a fork of Bitcoin, was the first virtual currency to adopt the master node model, but many other cryptocurrencies have adopted the model. Master nodes versus full nodes. Full nodes play critical roles in keeping a cryptocurrency functioning. Each full node contains an entire copy of the blockchain's history of transactions and submits new blocks of transactions for verification by other nodes. Every time a new block of transactions is submitted, all the other nodes must verify the transactions before they are added to the permanent ledger. This includes master nodes. The difference is, master nodes generally don't submit transactions for verification, they only verify those submitted by other nodes. Master nodes also have other responsibilities that full nodes do not. This includes governing voting events on changes to the ecosystem and executing protocol operations.